Okay, so we have three sets. So here's the first setup. It's an artificial light source, so you are gonna light each objects using this light source. And as you notice, medyo tabingi siya in line. Well, that's because may perspective kasi itong 3D nung ginawa ko. Kumbaga, when you are looking at the objects like this, looking down, yung Blender automatically adds yung third vanishing point, which is parang naka 3 point siya. Ganun siya. So guys, sa inyo, you can just make it straight. I-straight yun na lang pag kinopy nyo tong object. So, copy these objects and then light them according to the setup. Okay, hindi naman kailangan saktong-sakto. Just make sure the light is in front of them. And artificial siya. Okay? Gets nyo? And then, here, yes. Ito pala. So here, tuturo ko lang sa inyo saglit yung yung how to draw or cast a shadow of this one in triangle. Okay, madali lang yan. Kumbaga, kunwari ito. But it's in the middle, right? Right here at the middle. Dead smack at the middle. So ito siya. Here's the stick. Okay? So it's just you guys. Let's say ito yung light source. Pag ganyan. Or pag ganyan, right? Ito yung shadow, let's say pag ganito siya. Or maybe pag ganito. Yan yung direction ng shadow. So you simply cast the stick and then from these points, itong corners na to, itong corner na to, sundan nyo lang yan, sundan nyo lang yan. That's it. That's a shadow for a pyramid. Tapos na. Ganun lang yun. So, here, what's important, you find the stick right in the middle. So, how would you find that? Well, X method sa gitna. From these corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, X. Find the middle, prop it up until you meet the top, the tip. Then that's it. Cast your shadow, follow it here, and then your edges, in order to fill out the shape of the triangle, you want this to be going like this. Okay? Any questions? Questions regarding this, the first part? Wala. Okay, moving on, moving on. Here is the other one. Sunlight that's facing us, the viewer. Now, as you can see here, very steep yung angle. And chances are, you won't be seeing the vanishing points of the sun. So, gagamitin nyo yung converging lines to estimate where these lines would go. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if I see parallel lines, mali na agad yun. Kasi, right around this part, magko-converge na yan. Okay? So, you're also gonna need the horizon line kasi dyan ipa-plot yung shadow direction, which is pretty long. Tingnan nyo, it's off screen. Yung shadow, nandito pa siya sa malayo. Hindi dito, it's off screen. So if you want, you can extend that if you want. Hindi kayo mahirapan. So the only thing that you will estimate is the VP of the shadows or the VP of the sun. But the shadows, you can extend your canvas by one more sheet of paper and then plot the shadows along the horizon line. So ito yung horizon line, okay? It's already indicated. Tama na yan. Okay? Yan na yun. Questions on this part? Wala. Okay. Last part. Last part here. Wait. No. So ito pala, mali pala. This one is the sun is behind us. Okay, so you won't see the sun here on the horizon line, but hindi yun. Ito yun sa C. Okay, this one, the sun is facing us. So the shadows would be like this. Pag ganyan sila. Okay? Ayun. That's it. That's for the plate. So 3 sheets of paper ang kailangan ko. And approximately this size sa objects. Okay, in terms of the quality of the sketch, 'di ba? I have indicated that on Big Sky. Makita nyo doon yung sample work. But the gist of it is just use flat shading. That's it. Indicate the shadow side of the object, which is the form shadow, and then indicate the cast shadow. That's it. So I'll check that next week. Okay, any more questions, guys?
Question, sir.
Yes, Sean. Is that you, Sean?
So for all the plates under plate 9, all these shades are in the same perspective, right?
Yeah, they are. No, no,
Okay.
no, 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 no. Di pala. Sorry, no. B is slightly different. Well, kung gusto nyo, ipare-parehas na. That's okay with me. Iba-iba lang yung lighting scenario. Kung mag-iterate na lang, ganoon na lang para madali. Same angles, just different light sources. Okay, thanks Sean for the question. Any more questions? Ah,
Have.
yes, yes. Who is speaking? Juliana.
Uh,
Yes, Juliana.
for Nina, but okay. Do we make two plates like different of the same? How do I say this right? Two different drawings of this of that one, but different perspective, different light sources.
Yes, actually it's three. Three all in all. It's
What
three.
was the third one?
So here's one, two, three. So
Uh,
just to recap, first part here, artificial light source. Second part, you have the sunlight that's facing or that's positioned behind us. Third one is the sunlight that's facing us. Is in, is in each paper the objects. A cat. What you see here, the four objects should be in one paper. Kumbaga, you follow this as is. Ito yung itsura talaga ng plate nyo. The arrangement of the objects and their sizes. Okay, last call for questions before I dismiss you. Alright, I think everything's good. Uh, so just to remind you guys, next week we are face to face. And if you have questions, just DM me. Okay, so happy plotting of the shadows. So see you next week, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you po,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye
I
bye.
think
Good
you
luck.
do.